So you're done with cleaning the old way and ready to embrace the future? But is this what the future should look like? Introducing Neabot, the robot cleaner that lets you take a back seat and relax with stronger suction power. Automatically boost the suction power on carpet. Multi-level suction adjustment. Better home mapping. Automatic waste disposal. Then resume its task automatically and easy cleaning. You can set specific cleaning areas or no-go zones through the app. And truly rest easy. Uninterrupted. Neabot. No more dust, no more manual disposal.
If there are only a few clothes to wash, how will you clean them? Public laundry? Not safe. Hand wash? Too tiring. Washing machine? Takes too long. Try the Easy Wash, designed for washing and drying only a few items of clothes. It's very easy to use. Put the clothes into the main cylinder, along with detergent and water. Lock the cover. Place the handle in the middle slot to wash for about 2 to 5 minutes. Pull off the bottom plug to drain the water. Switch the handle to drying mode for 30 seconds. Hundreds of holes in the cylinder to ensure effective and deep cleaning as it spins. Easy Wash is compact and easy to use, not just at home, but also when you're away from home, even when you're camping. You'll love Easy Wash.
Few things are more deserving of an upgrade than the toilet brush. It's so ineffective and gross that cleaning the toilet is the job no one wants.
It's your turn.
Your old brush is hard to use. You need to scrub repeatedly to remove stains, and there's a risk of scratching the toilet. Plus, they are constructed with tightly woven plastic fibers that collect embedded particle residue, and near impossible to clean grime and its bristles. And that's why we created Good Papa, the world's smartest innovation in motorized toilet care. Good Papa is a one-button cleansing and UV-powered smart motorized TPR bristled cleansing brush that combined provide a labor-saving, porcelain-safe toilet cleaning experience. With the Good Papa IPX7 compliant rotating brush head, we've built a super strong, eco-friendly, super-powered cleansing experience, even as you clean deep in the water. With over 300 rotations a minute, and a lightweight 49cm flexible ABS handle to protect your wrist from fatigue, Good Papa can easily destroy stains and calcium buildup in the tightest of crevices, all while keeping the bowl clean and scratch-free. And when you're done, Good Papa emits a UVC light that bathes your brush in a cleansing glow and neatly stores in its own mold-free ventilated base. Its TPR brush has low drip and fast drain performance for safer transfer from bowl to holder, a safety delay before the UVC light turns on and after use, multiple storage options on or off the floor, fast recharge, and a high-efficiency power duration of up to 3 months with normal use. And now you have the very best tool to better protect your family in the most unprotected room of your home. Keep your toilet clean and your family healthy with Good Papa.
The next time you have an awkward moment, you need a quick, efficient solution ready to go. Introducing Montanc, the most powerful handheld vacuum yet. Designed to work on any floor or surface, Montanc is the result of thousands of hours of development by a team of ex-Samsung engineers. Their mission was to create a powerful yet ergonomic vacuum that looks as clean as the surfaces it touches. Perfect for the home, office, or car, Montanc has packed cutting-edge features into a timeless form. It's lightweight at a sleek 1.2 pounds, but it's powerful with a 120-watt high-speed motor that offers 2 levels of fade-free suction for up to 10 minutes continuously. Level 1 is ideal for a quick dust and debris cleaning, while Level 2 is geared for heavier-duty spills and messes. The best part? The compact HEPA filter pops out for an easy rinse, so Montanc always stays clean. For those hard-to-reach places, attach the crevice tool or the extension wand, and count on the safety temp sensor to automatically pause the vacuum if it's on for too long. The 3 indicator lights let you know battery level, when to empty the filter, and when to wash it. Montanc's filter even captures particles too small for the naked eye. And when you're done, just snap it back into its dock for a quick recharge. Now you can instantly make messes go away before they accumulate into something bigger, because we know you've got more important things to worry about than a little spill to start your day. So for those who believe a cleaner home is a better home, there's Montanc, the most powerful handheld vacuum.
Life happens. This is WYPE, a radical new way to clean. WYPE cleans up any mess, wet or dry, with the use of a unique absorbent roller and clever engineering, leaving your floors squeaky clean and free of germs. Best of all, WYPE also cleans itself. An intelligent base station uses clean water to flush out dirt and debris while charging it at the same time. The problem with the mop is, you never really get rid of dirt and germs. It just pushes dirt around, spreading bacteria all over your house. Even when it looks clean, your floor is still covered in germs. WYPE has a separate clean and dirty water tank, so you're always cleaning with fresh water, infused with your favorite floor cleaner. And don't even think about vacuuming up any liquids. Traditional vacuums are no match for WYPE, which absorbs liquids, brushes up solids, and separates them too, so you don't get liquids in the trash either. WYPE brushes and absorbs at the same time, depositing whatever it is you're cleaning inside a spill-proof container. WYPE is low maintenance, and when it's finally time to replace the roller, popping in a new one is extremely easy. Whether you're working from home or enjoying quality time, WYPE is whisper quiet and easily reaches underneath furniture. It's perfect for pet owners and parents, and it's totally toy-proof. Unlike vacuum cleaners, WYPE does not emit any fine exhaust particles, keeping the air you breathe free from allergens. WYPE is cordless and lightweight, making it easy to take anywhere in the house. Ready to clean up even the most impossible mess. It's charging when it's docked, so it's always ready to go. WYPE. Next level clean.